Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, we are going to be distressing our terracotta pots that we got from Home Depot today. So we have our terracotta pots, paintbrushes,
and
sandpaper, and then we have this paint, which is just a regular white chalkboard paint. We're gonna get into it. Let's start.
Of course, I wanted to put glitter on mine.
Glitter. Just wanted to bling it out.
Blowing it out.
So we're not painting the inside of it, just the outside of it.
Yeah.
Because there's gonna be dirt in there anyway, you know? I don't know if I want to do my whole thing. I think I'm just gonna do the bottom part.
Do it.
Ah!
Do it. Go for it. No regrets.
No regrets!
And it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. You're
No.
just smearing it on because we're gonna go over it with the sandpaper to distress it. So what's great is that it doesn't have to be perfect, especially like the super detailed ones.
Although, yeah, I was just gonna say the time involved is slim to none because I'm almost done, girl.
I know, this is amazing. And because it's chalk paint, guys, it's gonna dry pretty fast.
Mine's already drying.
Yeah, it's crazy town.
Oh, I love this. I'm not even gonna go over it with another coat.
Yeah, no. You don't need a lot. That's great.
I think I'm done. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna do that on my saucer.
Yeah.
I'm gonna paint the rim and then I'm gonna,
I love it.
cause then when you lay it down like this, it'll have like a cute little pop of color. All right guys, so mine is drying up pretty well here. So we are gonna let these dry, I don't know, for what, like an hour maybe?
Maybe, probably not even that long because they're almost dry already, which is crazy. And what I like is that you don't really need a lot of this paint. You just need a little bit, and a little bit will get you a long way.
Yeah,
so.
we definitely poured too much in there. We could pour that right back into the bottle.
Yes, 'cause we are not. Oh my god.
You are a mess.
I'm a mess.
All right, well, let's go plant up some pots and we'll come back in like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Hello, we are back. We are going to start sanding our pots now to get that distressed look.
So we got some sandpaper, and I'm
Yes.
just gonna fold it so it's like a little bit easier.
I already did mine. All right, ready?
Let's do it.
All right, so we are just about finished here.
Cute little like modernized, rustic
Yes.
kind of feel.
I love it. I did my tray there so it shows a little pop of color. It also has a little bit of wear and tear there. I figured too, you know, once you water it more frequently and like once the water like soaks it up, it's gonna give it a different look too.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm so excited about these. All right, guys, we'll just finish it up here and that's about it. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you guys have any terracotta pots that you guys want to share with us or maybe a different way in how you did this, leave it in the comments below. Or if you have any questions for us, let us know. And then don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can see some more videos that I post in the future. And we will see you next time.